believe we're good to go. So buy limit set here on NQ. Couple things to note first, looking at these indices, mainly looking at NQ for longs here. So the analysis that I sent last night in the Discord, obviously still playing out right now. We've got a 4-hour mean threshold right here in alignment with a 1-hour fair value gap, which, yes, we traded through it, but as you guys can see, it's looking like it's forming a wick. So wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. You can see the body of the candle closing dead nuts on the mean threshold of that 4-hour order block. Dropping down here to the 5-minute, we can see that we took out London low. We did take out London high technically by a tick or two, but to me, I have a feeling this is not really going to matter. This is just looking like a low resistance liquidity run to some degree, because we've got all these, trendline liquidity, lower highs right here that I think could be taken out. Would like to see price pull back, obviously. I think you guys, if you wanted to, could start scaling entries if we get a pullback right to this 5-minute order block right here. But we took out London low. We just took out opening range low on the 5-minute time frame, which is the low of the first 30 minutes of market open. Obviously, if we get a pullback, TP1 could be opening range high, because opening range high is going to, wherever the next 3 minutes lands us, that'll be that. But I think best possible entry for right now is going to be this 1-minute order block, 1 minute inefficiency right over top of it. Looks like it would be in the OTE range as well. You see this 1-minute order block came down, filled this inefficiency. I was really tempted. I wanted to wait for the news release anyway here in 3 minutes, but this was a tempting setup right here as price came up. It's kind of like that, ICT Sun's 30-second model, but this is just obviously using the 1-minute chart. Same exact thing. You have that rate on liquidity. You're looking for that first fair value gap essentially to take your entry from, and that would have been it right here. A little bit high risk because you don't really wait for any sort of market structure shifts or anything like that. You just wait for a fair value gap and you let it rip. But so that would have been first possible entry. Like I said, I kind of wanted to wait for the news to come out before doing anything, which comes out here in a minute and a half. So all good, I guess. I mean, you can only do so many things, but we'll see what we get. Obviously, USD CAD came close to triggering. As of right now, I deleted the pending, mainly because we took out this first low, which would have been, TP1. It would have been for sure at least risk-free. And obviously, we know that the dollar has been bullish, right? So for that reason, I'm just going to take it. I just took it off. If you guys want to keep the trade on, obviously, by any means you can. In terms of the weekly structure and the weekly candle, it's still a decent setup. Maybe just lighten your risk a little bit because we took out one TP, I would say. But otherwise, yeah, I deleted it for now, and maybe we'll see what happens later on. But yeah, for right now, I deleted it since we took out that first low. Came close. I think, how close was this? 6 pips. 6 pips on USD CAD from triggering my limit last night. Yeah, I mean, even on a bigger time frame, this is the move I'd like to see for longs at this point. Might almost turn this into more of like a swing trade. If we do end up getting long from here. Because in all reality, I would like my stop loss, I guess at a bare minimum, to be here. So I guess that's not terrible. 34 points. It's not great. But in reality, I wouldn't mind this stop loss either. And then at that point, you're running it up to these highs. But that's if these highs are still intact and if this entry even gets offered. But I did shave off, I'm doing a tighter stop with the stop below the fair value gap candle. And I just got one contract on it, so kind of all I could do with the size of the stop loss. Got triggered in, guys, by the way. What do we got? Any NFL fans in here? What? Go Pack Go. Thursday Night Football. Who you guys got? And don't say Lions. So, yeah, guys, this looks good. Got a nice 2-minute close above that high. Still not going to remove risk just yet. I'm going to just let it breathe, let it play out. I guess if anything, you could trail your stop below this low. We're going to be trailing stop to break even pretty soon, but you could go risk free if you want, I guess, but I really wouldn't expect price to come back down below here. At least I wouldn't want to see it come back down below there. Oops. Below this order block we just traded above. But yeah, guys, TP1's going to be this recent high right here. Might as well. Or, the original London high that we had. I have Goff and Laporte on my fantasy. Oh, shit. Don't care who wins, but would appreciate 76. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna need those boys to not play so hot tonight. I'm afraid. To go risk free now should be fine. I mean, there's a little inefficiency right there. Yeah, I don't know. I got one contract on it. I guess I'll do it. I'm gonna go risk free right now. It's been overall a good week, so I guess I'm okay with the outcome if tragedy strikes and it comes back down. Definitely don't want to take a loss at this point. I think we should be fine though. Knock on wood. I really wouldn't expect price to come back down again, but TP1, guys. You can TP1 right now if you'd like. You can wait for this high if you'd like. But we're inside of we just took this recent high, which we've already been to, obviously, but it's up to you. This whole area is TP1. So I would say TP here if you would like. Take a partial. Do what you got to do. Yes. TP2 is hit. Hallelujah. And then shut this chart and not care what happens. Don't even look at it until the end of the day and just see what price did. Bang. TP3, I'm fully out, guys, every day. So, yeah, it's been good, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your guys' Thursday. I would just be done trading. There's really no need. Powell speaks later anyway. So, enjoy the profits. Enjoy your day. I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the last session of the week. We'll wait for the news, and then we'll see if we can keep the train rolling and end the week on a good note with a bang. So, enjoy your guys' day. Appreciate you guys. If you guys need anything, reach out, and I will talk to you guys later, and I'll see you guys on the session tomorrow. Peace out, everybody.